We're solving problem 3 from the 2018 F equals MA exam A. Ball 1 traveling in the positive x direction strikes an equal mass ball 2 that is originally at rest. All of the following must be true after the collision except A, the total final momentum in the x direction equals the initial momentum of ball 1. B, the total kinetic energy after the collision equals the initial kinetic energy of ball 1. C, the final momentum of the two balls in the y direction adds to 0. D, the final speed of the center of mass of the two balls is equal to half the initial speed of ball 1. Or E, the balls can't both be at rest after the collision. So, for this problem, due to conservation of momentum, we know that P sub x0 initial x momentum has to be v, and initial momentum in the y direction has to be equal to 0. So we can just go down this list, and we know that we know that there's one incorrect answer because the problem implies that there's one incorrect answer by using except. You wouldn't say except these two because, I mean, unless if it's specified, it probably wouldn't have been 2. So let's just go check A. So it says total final momentum in x direction equals initial momentum of the ball 1. So we know that the total final momentum in the x direction would be P sub x final, which is mv, which also equals px initial. So A is correct. Now, if we look at B, it says that the total kinetic energy after the collision equals the kinetic energy of ball 1. So let's see, E sub final, we know that energy is 1/2 mv squared, but this, it says the statement is equal to energy initial, but it is not. So because some energy is lost due to heat and friction, and the problem doesn't say it's frictionless, so since we know there's only one incorrect answer, we can circle B as the incorrect answer, and that is the only false statement giving us our answer.